high grade 1 Egyptian syllabus. Today it will be the last lesson, last unit in your book, English, as we know from the beginning of the new syllabus. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today it will be the last unit in your book, English, as we know. Here is the last unit. Is about what? Is about on the farm. Let's learn more about this topic. Here in this topic, we talk about the farm and animals in the farm. Let's read this dialogue between Noor and Ziad and know what's about the animals in the farm. Noor, look at the cow. So Noor saying to Ziad, look at the cow. Ziad, wow, the cow is big. And look at the dog. The dog is small. So here is the difference between the size or the weight of every animal. The cow is big and the dog is small. Noor, do you see the horse? Ziad, yes, the horse is big too. Noor, what about chicken? Chicken is small. I love farm animals. Okay, let's go to learn more about these animals here. Here we have some animals. Let's read and repeat it together. Here is we have cow, 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 dog, 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 horse, 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 chicken, chicken, chicken. We can say chick, we can't say chicken, but it's familiar and we know all we know that is chicken. And in another writing, we say chick. The chick is the small hen. Okay, let's read together. Here is we have cow, 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 dog, 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 horse, 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 chicken, chicken, chicken. Let's read it together. The cow is big, the dog is small, the horse is big, the chicken is small. Here you say the cow is big, the horse is big, the dog is small, the chicken is small. This is the chicken. Let's go to another item here. Here is we have an activity about animals, and we can circle the animals that belong to the farm. In the farm, we can see dog, yes. We can see horse, yes. We can see bird, yes. We can see bird, yes. I think we see bird. Can see cat, or can't see cat. We can see turtle, dog. No, it's not dog. We have cow and we have chicken. All these animals you can see in the farm. Okay, I think birds also can see in the farm. Okay, okay. You can see because you can see dogs and the birds and many birds in the farm. Okay, so here we see dog, we see horse, bird, we see cow and hen. You can't see dog, turtle, and cat. It's not in the farm. Okay, let's go to another item here. Today I will explain lesson 1 and lesson 2 because I know that is enough today to learn two lessons to be able to start. Okay, the cow is big. Which one is big? Which one of the cow is big? This one. So I put right here in this part, in this square. What the dog is small. Which dog is small? This one. So I put the right in the next in this square. Let's go to another one. Here we say the horse is big. Which one is horse? This one. Which the chicken is small. Which one is chicken? This one. Let's go to another item here. Right. The word matches and wrong in the picture. In the picture is not match. Here we have cow. I put right or wrong. So here I put right. Why? Because here is a cow. So I put right here. Is it a horse? No, it's not a horse. I put wrong. Why? Because it's dog, not a horse. Dog written like this. It's called duck. Okay, duck. Is chicken? Yes, it's chicken. Is it duck? No, it's not duck. It's what? It's horse. Here is horse and here is duck. Okay, we have a replacement here. Let's go to another one here. In the next activity. We'll talk about the big animals. Let's know no, not big animals, big something. The things that are big. Let's circle the things that are big. The things that are big, it will be here a bus. It will be here house. It will be here dolphin, and here is elephant. All these are big. The rest of things is not big. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have lesson point and circle. The chicken is small. Which one is chicken is small? This one. The horse is big. This one is horse big. The cow is big. This one is big. The dog is small. This one is small. Let's go to another item here. Here is lesson 2 about phonics. Let's read the words and know how to pronounce this word. Here we have moon, milk, monkey. Moon, milk, monkey. Mango, mouse. I will repeat and repeat after me. Moon, mango, milk, monkey, and mouse. Okay, let's know the letters that we learned today. We learned today the small m and capital M. Here is capital M and small m. Here is we have capital M and small m. Capital M and small m. So here is called uppercase or capital letter. This is uppercase. We say uppercase. We can say uppercase or capital letter. We say uppercase, or can replacement uppercase by what? By the capital letter. We say here capital letter. Capital. Say here capital letter. Capital letter. We say here capital letter. Okay. Let's see here capital letter. There's capital letter. And another one we say here small letter. This is capital letter and this is small letter. Small letter. You can say small letter or what, or lowercase. Both are correct. You can say small letter or lowercase. Both are correct. You can say for these letters, you can say uppercase or lowercase or capital letter and small letter. Here is capital M. I would like to know how to write capital M and small m. Okay. I will trace one, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework after I leave you the link of the booklet below the video to download it and answer by yourself. Here is capital M. I would like to write it well. Here is. It's written like this. Capital M written like this. This is called capital M. Okay, capital M. Here is capital M and here is small m written like this. So here we know how to write capital M and small m. And I think you are writing better than me when you download the booklet and do it by yourself. Here is capital M and small m. I will write it here in separated paper. Here is capital M and here is small m written like this. Capital M and small m. M for what? M for milk. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is the activity about letter M. Let's select the words that related by letter M. Monkey. Here is mouse, milk, and mango. All these words started by letter M. Let's go to another item here. Today, as we told you, that I explained 2 lessons only. Okay, not more than one, more than this. Okay. Here is we know another letter which is capital G and small g. It's called capital G and small g. Let's know the words related to this letter together. Let's learn it together, the words related to this letter. Here we have grapes. Let's. I would like to repeat with me. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Goat, guitar. Grapes, goat, guitar. Girl, gloves. There is girl and gloves. Okay. Let's. I would like to repeat the previous letters, the previous words, and these words again. Okay. So today we learn moon, 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 milk, 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 monkey, 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 mango, 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 mouse, mouse, mouse. And the next words that we learned also today, we learn grapes, 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 goat, 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 guitar, 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 girl, 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 gloves, gloves, gloves. So I would like to trace the capital letter of capital G. This is called capital G and this is small g. Okay. I'm not, I'm trying to do it like this, but I will leave you the link of the booklet below the video to download it and trace by yourself. Let's go to another item here. Here is capital G and small g. Okay. Let's do in this exercise the words related to letter G. Here would be girl, bravo, girl, Islam, you are great, grapes, you are great, guitar. Here is we have girl, guitar, and grapes. This is the words that started by letter G. Let's go to another item. Here is the exercise here. Let's here in this exercise we want to circle the first letter of the word that is in front of us. Here is what? Here is girl. So I make a circle on in G. Here is milk started by letter M. Here is gloves started by letter G. Okay, started by letter. Here is M. Here is milk started by letter M. Here is gloves started by letter G. Let's go to another item here. Here is we have here's mango, so I put here M. Here is grapes. Here is guitar. Here is mouse, letter M. Okay, so here we have mouse. So the missing letter here to be mango and mouse, and the missing letter here to be grapes and guitar. Let's go to another item here. Here we have some letters. Here is we have pictures, and we select the suitable letter by the suitable picture. Here is called girl, so I select this one. Here is grapes. Here is monkey. Okay, the people. What is this moon? Okay, here is moon. By this lesson we end from our video. Next class I will start lesson 3. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.